How to get refunds on Ticketmaster. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and check if your event qualifies for a refund or not. Ticketmaster's refund policies are primarily determined by the event organizers. So refunds are typically available under the following circumstances. So if your event is cancelled, Ticketmaster will automatically process a refund to your original payment method. No action is required on your part. But if your event is rescheduled or postponed, the event organizer may offer refunds. You should receive a notification outlining your options. Also, Ticketmaster Fan Guarantee allows you to request a refund within 24 hours of purchasing your ticket, provided the event is eligible. So how do you request a refund? If your event qualifies for a refund, you want to go ahead and open the Ticketmaster application and log in to your Ticketmaster account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on My Account section and then find the event in the question and click onto it. If a refund is available, you'll see a refund request button. You want to go ahead and click onto it and then follow the prompt to submit your request. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email. Refunds are typically processed to your original payment method within 5 or 7 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. And that is how to get refunds on Ticketmaster. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.